Good morning, my dear students, and a very warm welcome to all of you in this e-learning program. We are going to do today a special session, that is the practical session. Now, what we are going to do today in this practical session, you have studied nitrogen cycle, alright? Don't worry, we are not going to do nitrogen cycle in practicals, but a component of it. You have already studied about the nitrates and nitrites. Nitrates means nitrogen bonded with 3 oxygen. And nitrite means nitrogen bonded with 2 oxygen. Okay, once again, in nitrates, the nitrogen is bonded with 3 oxygen atoms, while in nitrites, the nitrogen is bonded with 2 oxygen atoms. You have studied about this fact in your nitrogen cycle, that we need to convert the nitrogen into nitrates and nitrites. If we talk about the highly reactive elements like sodium, potassium, they are existing in their normal form. They combine with these nitrates, nitrites, and form the corresponding nitrates and nitrites. Even they are naturally present. We are also consuming it. Yes, we are also consuming some amount of foodstuffs which is containing the presence, because ultimately plants are converting the nitrogen into useful compounds. So in our today's session, we are going to detect the presence of nitrate. Okay, what is our concept for the day? To detect presence of nitrate. All right, come on, note down these 2 points, then we'll move further. Be quick, note down this. Then just these 2 points, then we shall move further. So I hope you have noted down this. What is our aim for today? Our aim is to detect the nitrate in the given sample. We will take the compound which is already containing nitrate. Okay, so if we'll take that particular compound, then we will be able to observe the proper observations. So we'll take one solution, and what will be the solution? Solution will be something which is containing nitrate. concentrated hydrochloric acid, then freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution and a solution. Here we will take sodium nitrate. Okay, so I hope you are clear with the content. Now, what is the basic principle of this particular test? That first I'll explain you. Now, what is the principle behind this? Basic principle over here is when we will take the solution of ferrous sulfate and the sample solution and we will mix them over there, the reaction will take place and reduction of nitrate will get carried out. Okay, nitrate will get reduced and a complex salt will be formed that will result into the formation of brown ring. So that is its basic principle, and the iron will get oxidized into iron oxide. So this is also called as the brown ring test experiment for nitrate. How to do the particular experiment, that is the procedure. For that, take some amount of sample solution. We are going to take sodium nitrate over here. Prepare fresh solution of ferrous sulfate. After preparing the fresh solution of ferrous sulfate, what do we need to do? We need to add hydrochloric acid. And then wait for few seconds. Okay, so note down this, then I will move further towards observations. Quickly note it down. Keep noting it. I hope you have noted it. Now, let us have a look at the practicals of it.
Hello my dear friends. Let us now see the nitrate test. First of all, whatever things you are eating, in them also there is some proportion of nitrate. And today we are going to do a ring test for the formation of the nitrate. Wherever there is nitrate, if we want to detect its presence, then this brown ring test is used. You will study about this test in detail in your further class 11 and 12. Let us first practically observe it. These are the apparatus we would need. The test tube stand, the solution of sodium nitrate, then ferrous sulfate, 2 test tubes, water for making the solution of both, and a little bit amount of hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid. It is advisable to use sulfuric acid because it is the king of chemicals. Now let us first prepare the solution of sodium nitrate. Let us take some amount of sodium nitrate in the test tube. We could have used spatula for it. Let us add water and make the solution of sodium nitrate. You can see it will become a transparent like solution. Okay, totally it will look like water. Let us keep it over here. Now let us make little bit of ferrous sulfate solution. We need to make it freshly prepared. Little amount of ferrous sulfate. A chunk is present over here and we'll remove it. Now let us add a little bit of water to it. This is freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution. Now we will add hydrochloric acid. So first, little bit amount of hydrochloric acid is taken. Because this is nitrate, to this nitrate we'll add ferrous sulfate solution. Okay. This is how we mixed it. Now, on addition of hydrochloric acid, a brown ring you will observe at the top. At the top, there is a small ring. At the top, there is a small ring. Let us add very minutely. You can see the small ring at the top. It vanishes. So here is the zoomed version of it. In the zoomed version, you can see the brown ring at the top. It is very light brown, but you can observe it. This is how the brown ring test is useful for checking the nitrate. Please observe it. So I hope you observed the brown ring at the top. Once again, let me tell you how was the experiment done. This experiment was done to detect the presence of nitrate in any solution. Okay, once we know whether the substance is containing nitrate or not, we can check out its presence in a very simple manner. You can take any of the food material that is containing nitrate. Okay, so this test is once again over here. What we took? We took first little bit amount of sodium nitrate in a test tube. We prepared its fresh solution. After completing the formation of sodium nitrate, we took ferrous sulfate. Then we made its solution. Okay, in two different test tubes. Now, in the beaker, we took little bit amount of hydrochloric acid. Okay. Then, on adding ferrous sulfate to the solution of sodium nitrate and by adding little bit amount of hydrochloric acid, we saw the topmost layer with a ring. So what is that? That ring is of sodium nitrate. So this is how we carried out the whole of the experiment. And that is all for right now. Now we will see the theory portion of it.
After observing about the practical, what did you observe? So, the observation is a brown ring is formed in the test tube Conclusion: this detects the presence of nitrate ion in it. Okay. So, first let's have a look at the diagrammatic view of it. This is the sample. When ferrous sulfate is added, acid, a brown ring is formed. Okay, note down this content quick. Note down also the diagram. So I hope you are clear with the content, and that's all for the detecting the presence of nitrate sample in a particular solution.